In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your HubSpot account password. Whether you're updating it for stronger security, recovering from a forgotten password, or just doing regular maintenance, this quick process will help you protect your personal and business data. Start by opening your web browser and visiting hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and click the login button. This will take you to the sign in page. Enter your HubSpot email address and password, then click log in to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard where you manage contacts, marketing tools, and reports. From here, go to the top right corner again and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Profile and Preferences from this menu to open your account settings. Once you're inside the settings page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Security. This section handles all aspects of your account's protection: passwords, login methods, and two-factor authentication. Now, locate the option that says Reset Password. Click on it to begin. HubSpot will ask you to enter your current password and then type your new password twice to confirm. When choosing a new password, make sure it's strong, unique, and hard to guess. A good password should include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters like @ number sign, or exclamation mark. Avoid using common passwords like 123456 or your name, and try not to reuse passwords from other accounts. For instance, something like hsafe at 2025 update is far stronger and more secure. After entering your new password, click Save or Update Password. HubSpot will confirm your change with a success message. If at any point you forget your password, you can easily reset it by clicking Forgot Password on the login screen. HubSpot will send a secure reset link to your registered email. To further protect your account, it's also a great idea to enable two-factor authentication from the same security tab. This adds an extra verification step whenever you sign in, giving you an additional layer of safety against unauthorized access. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your HubSpot password and enhanced your account security. Regularly updating passwords and enabling security features ensures your sensitive business information stays protected at all times. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more quick tech tips and step-by-step guides to help you manage your online tools with confidence. Keep your data secure and your workflow smooth. See you in the next video.